Good morning, guys. Happy Friday. Congrats, you made it through the end of the week. I hope the week was great for you guys. I really hope that you were able to take maybe some of the free time or extra time that you had and use it a little bit differently than normal and work towards taking advantage and really grasping the opportunity to push yourself forward in life and come out on the other side of this entire process as best as you can and be a better person on the other side. So, guys, today's message that I want to start you with is from Steve Prefontaine. If you don't know who Prefontaine is, he is a runner. One of the most well-known runners of all time. He had an insane ability to just push through that, the idea of being in pain, right? So if you're watching this, you've probably done a super hard workout before in that idea of really pushing through the level of a discomfort to achieve your goals. Now, he has a famous quote that says, "To give anything less than your best is to sacrifice the gift." Okay, so to give anything less than your best is to sacrifice the gift. Guys, life is a gift. It's every single day, is another opportunity to use the gifts that were given to you and use the gifts which you've developed through the opportunities which you've been given and also earned over the course of your life. If you're sitting around right now and you're just sitting at home doing nothing, well, guys, you are wasting your gifts. You're wasting your ability and the amazing things that you're capable of doing. So it might be a little bit different, right? You might not be able to get to the gym. You might, obviously you can't get to the gym. Your normal nutrition might be a little bit off. Maybe your normal work schedule is a little bit off, but guys, that's okay, right? So it's an obstacle in the way and we can improve ourselves by working through that obstacle. But to bring it back to the quote, to give anything less than your best is a sacrifice of the gift. So you should still be giving your best every single day, to overcome the problems that are before you and work to being a better human being and a better version of yourself possible, which you guys all definitely can. Now, you may be sitting there saying, man, I just don't know how to do it. I'm just kind of lost. I just feel like I'm just stuck here in the house. I'm super anxious. I'm afraid to go outside because I don't want to get COVID-19. President Trump has been saying, the next few weeks are going to be terrible for us. I definitely don't want to go out. But yet, how am I going to become a better version of me? If I can't do what it takes to be a better me, the things that I have in my brain that I need to do, I just can't do. Well, guys, you definitely can do it. You can get out and do it. You can take advantage of the situation before you and become a better you, right? You just need to find a way. Everything depends on the internal battle you have with yourself. Any external event isn't going to constrain or put a damper on you achieving your goals. You can exercise in the house, you can practice social distancing while exercising. All the restaurants are closed or only doing takeout. So it's an amazing time to buy fresh foods, learn how to cook, develop food prep strategies, dial in your macronutrients in your cows, and start achieving the body composition and the health status that you really want. Guys, it's an excellent opportunity and you can take advantage of it. So, if you're in the boat, which a lot of you guys are, that just are just lost and you really don't know what to do. But you look out 3 months from now and say, okay, ask yourself this question: what kind of person do you want to be 3 to 4 months from right now? So, what kind of person do you want to be? Maybe it's a little bit stronger, maybe it's a little bit slimmer, a little bit fitter, have a better body composition. Um, what is it? Right? Maybe it's you don't want to be in pain. Um, Guys, now's an amazing time to take advantage and achieve those goals. If you're a jujitsu athlete and you can't go to the gym and train with your buddies, well, it's an excellent time to work on position so that you don't have to tap out as soon. Or maybe you can't get to the gym to do snatches or cleans. Well, guys, it's an amazing time to work on the overhead position or that front rack, so that when you get back to doing it, you're going to be stronger in the gym. Maybe it's a time like, uh, you really need to work on running and build that aerobic engine. Guys, this is a great time. Like, you can do burpees in your house and go run outside, and like, you'll be so much fitter at the end of the day than you are now. So you need help. And you're just lost and don't know where to go. Like, maybe you want specific guidance on the things that you personally need to be doing, not the random workouts that you see online or the random workouts that you search on Google or see on your Instagram feed, but specific actionable things that you personally can be doing to give you the best bang for the buck to achieve your goals and be a light years ahead of where you are right now in 3 months. Guys, send a message to me. I can help you achieve that. With my background in not only physical therapy, I am a doctor of physical therapy, but I'm a nutrition. I help people with that on a daily basis, and also strength training. And with my background in not only coaching, since the early coaching over the last decade, um, and the athletes that I currently work with now, as well as all the athletes I work with to help them modify their workouts to make sure that they get the most out of what they're doing. Guys, I can help you devise a plan and keep you accountable to achieving your goals over this period. So send a message to me, guys. I'd love to chat with you and just hear your story and then just see if we're a good fit to work together. Um, if it matches kind of what you've heard so far, we'd be a great fit to work together. Um, and you'll get that much closer to your goals, guys. So today, okay, we're going to move into getting the hips opened up. Okay. The hips and the ankles opened up. Okay. So the first thing we're going to do is a hip circle. All right. You're going to be here, knees directly underneath the hips, with the shoulders or the hands directly underneath the shoulders. All right. Now you're going to really try and brace the abs here. You don't want to shift around. You want to keep the midline as stable and still as possible. So here, you're going to then bring the knee up, come out to the side, bring it all the way around. All right. Now I don't want here. All right. Maintain the abs tight and bring that weight up. Bring it down, maintain the abs tight, bring it up, bring it down, and down. All right. The goal is to make the biggest circle you can possibly make. Okay. So let's do 10 per leg. That was one. Separate. Now, guys, try not to rush through this. Okay. The slower you can move and the bigger range of motion you can do, the better. Okay. So you probably might be finding it super tough to keep that midline nice and tight, without wobbling all over the place. Okay, guys, that is 10. Okay, now what I want you to do now is take the next minute. Okay, and I want you to work through the other side. Okay, so go ahead, swap over to that left side, and I want you to start working through it. Okay, so go ahead and jump into that now. All right, and we're gonna move on here in about a minute. So, guys, the hip, right? So I might get super tight right now because you're sitting at your desk or sitting at the kitchen table or just doing a lot of sitting. You're not moving around as much. So if we can actively try and control and use that hip through the limits and the end ranges of the range of motion, guys, you're going to be feeling so much better. Mobility is way more than just stretching. It is learning how to be active and strong in different positions that you need to get into. Guys, this is a great one to incorporate on a pretty regular basis here. Um, so guys, I also want to let you know that I am bringing back the 50% off of the initial visit with me for the next few weeks. Oh, the I am still open working with people. Actually, I've got someone coming in here, and as soon as I get off this video with you guys, and I'll be busy through the rest of the day. Guys, I'm taking every precaution possible to make sure that this is a safe place for you and everybody else that I work with, as well as me, as well as my wife, right? And you guys may have heard before, but my wife is currently 5 months pregnant. Uh, she's in the high risk category, and I can't risk. Uh, and I don't want to risk get doing any harm to her or doing any harm to my future son. So if that kind of puts things into perspective with you, with the measures that I'm taking to make sure that everybody's safe, hopefully that gives you comfort. Because I want to keep everyone safe and everyone feeling great and everybody moving towards their goals. Now, if you don't feel comfortable coming in, I've got telehealth options to where I actually break you down through video. And just like I would in the clinic, break you down. I've been doing this for the last 3 years, and it works great. So if you're not able to come in, um, but you still need help, guys, reach out to me, send a message, and we will do an assessment through video, and I'll be able to give you guidance and coach you and teach you how to fix yourself, okay, through video, so that you can improve your current place and feel a whole heck of a lot better. Um, so, guys, like I said, 50% off over the next few weeks. Um, I've had a lot of people take advantage of this so far, as a lot of you guys need help at the moment. And being at home and, not having much to do, if you can laser focus your ability to work on yourself and become a better you over the course of this uh, quarantine, okay, you're going to be so much happier when you can go back to your gym afterwards, not have the aches and pains that you currently have and previously had, which then forced you to miss workouts, cherry pick workouts, constantly scale, and constantly cause you a little bit of fear as you when maybe pick up a deadlift or pick up a bag or a ball or did a loaded back squat or kettlebell swing as you're afraid of blowing up your back and blowing out your shoulder, right? So, guys, now's the best time to fix it. I can help you get there, find the root cause, permanently fix it so you never have to deal with it again, um, and ultimately get you feeling better. So, guys, send over a message, 50% off. And I look forward to talking with you through video and messaging and email, phone call. Give me a phone call at 919-960-1351. And I look forward to talking soon, guys. So the next one we're going to do is the hip. Okay. So you're going to lay down on your back. You're going to straighten out one leg, put the other leg, bend it up just like so. Okay. Grab onto the back of your thigh. And I want you to actively try and straighten out, push for 3 seconds or two to three count and back down. Hey, let's do 15 of these. Now, guys, it's important to keep the other leg flat on the ground, okay, and try not to hike up the other hip, just like that. So keep it straight, keep the other leg straight. All right, and we'll swap sides. Another 15 here. All right, guys. Lastly, okay, you can do this without shoes on. That's the best thing. But we're gonna work on the ankles. Okay. Now I want you guys to go in a kneeling position, just like so. Okay. I want your hips square ahead of you. The knee is going to stay out over top the outer portion of the foot, just like it would when you do a squat. Okay. And I want you to get relatively heavy objects. So it can be books, it can be pots and pans, it can be a jug of water, it can be a backpack with stuff loaded in it. Okay. From there, you're going to put it on the knee and you're going to drive your knee forward. Okay. Making sure you stay nice and square. I want you to keep that heel on the ground. Okay. I don't want this. I don't want here. I don't want here. All right. Stay nice and square. Drive that knee forward. You're going to feel a nice stretch in the back of the calf. And then hold for 2 to 3 count and back out. And moving in. Hold for 2 to 3 count. Back out. And we're going to do 15 here. If you have a kettlebell at home, this one is awesome to do with the kettlebell. If you have a band as well to put around your ankle, look on my YouTube channel. There's a banded version of this on there as well, which is awesome. Guys, the ankles are crucial when it comes to running, squatting, Olympic lifting, wall balls. Like the ankle is such a crucial part of movement. And if you're lacking the ability to really move through the ankle where you need to, guys, then you really need to fix it, right? Because you're dumping performance and a lot of the aches and pains you might feel in your feet, in your knees, in your hips, in your back, even up to your shoulders, might be due to the fact that your ankles are stiff and you need to move them a whole heck of a lot better. All right, guys. And I personally lost count. I'm not sure what this is for me personally, but we're in the ballpark. So, all right. Now, what I'm having you do is I want you to now swap over to the other side and work through the left ankle as well. Guys, it's one of the best bangs for the bucks. Do it before you train. Do it on a regular basis. Help undo a lot of the ankle stiffness that you may have acquired over time by wearing high heel shoes, by wearing these really thick-soled, huge heel to toe drop shoes. Maybe you don't think they're high heels, but they're definitely not a minimalist type shoe. Maybe it's been in dress shoes. And guys, work through the ankles, fix your ankles, spend a lot of time there. You'll see so much bang for the buck by improving your squat, improving your strength numbers simply because you're in a better position. You won't have to use your lifters all the time. So guys, spend time there, work through the other side, work through the other two we did today. And remember, guys, like you've got an amazing opportunity at this point in time to use the gifts that you have and use it for the greater good. Not only to push yourself forward, but have an impact on those around you and to ultimately better your life and everybody else's life as well. So, guys, once again, if you don't know me, my name is Dr. Michael Tancini of Ground to Overhead PT. I've got an office in Cary and in Chapel Hill. The athlete or the people that I work with are people who may have been dealing with things for days, months, weeks, years. They've tried everything in the book and they just are struggling with overcoming it. Um, Guys, they're the people that I love working with. Um, the people that have been held back from doing the training that they love. Maybe they've been told squatting and running are terrible for you and you shouldn't do any of it because you've got the knees and back of a 70-year-old and you're just going to wear out and need surgery and you just shouldn't do it. Guys, I'm here to tell you that I can help you train the way you want to, train frequently, and get back to doing all the activities that you love to do, and teach you how to overcome that knee problem, that back problem, that foot problem, that shoulder problem that's been holding you back, so that you can continue to train and live your life to the fullest for as long as you want to without needing surgery, without constantly needing injections, and without constantly being in pain and feeling like you've got these problems that are never going to go away and you're just going to have to live with forever. God, I can help you fix it permanently. I'd love to talk with you. Give me a call at 919-960-1351. Send a text, shoot a message through my website or through my email or on Facebook. Guys, I'd love to talk with you. I'd love to chat, and I'd love to help you overcome your problems so that you can get back to living the life that you want to live. So, guys, thank you so much for watching. Use your gifts. Today's Friday, so I will see you on Monday. Highly encourage you to sign up for my running clinic, though. That's going to be tomorrow at 12:30. I'm going to stream it live from my Facebook page. You need to sign up though. It is a closed event to 30 people and it's almost filled up. So go ahead and sign up, as I want to make sure that I can address all the questions that people have and provide you guys with a very personalized experience during the clinic to help you run better, faster, and without pain. So guys, thanks so much for watching. Hope you